Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your the science factor book and open your page number 16. Today our topic is animals in the air. Some animals spend a lot of time in the air. They spend a lot of their time in the air with the help of their body structure and with the help of air. Look at here. Birds fly through the air. Bats fly through the air. Butterflies fly through the air. These air animals can fly through the air. How they can fly? We learned it here. Animals that spend time in the air have bodies that help them get up and stay up in the air. They have their bodies like they have feathers and wings. With the help of feathers and wings, they can stay up and get up in the air. They have wings to help them take off, fly and land. With the help of wings, they can fly, take off and land. Some air animals like birds have feathers to help them glide through the air. With the help of feathers, they can balance their body and they can fly in the air. They have beaks to help them pick up grains on and seeds to eat, and they have beaks to eat food. Feathers. Feathers do not only help birds to fly, they also keep birds warm and keep rain off them. Feathers help them to fly and they also keep warm and keep rain off them. feathers की वजह से ये बर्ड्स जो होते हैं वो फ्लाई कर सकते हैं और अपनी बॉडी को feathers की ही वजह से इनकी बॉडी वार्म रहती है और ये अपनी बारिश से अपने आप को हिफाजत में रख सकते हैं. Learning is fun. Do this task in your notebook. It is your notebook task. I just ask question to you. Name 4 air animals. The air animals are birds, bats, butterflies, and we learn about sparrows and pigeon, etc. These are air animals, okay? Name the part of an air animal's body that help it to fly. Feathers and wings. With the help of these, they can fly in the air. Okay, today's your homework is read page number 16 and 17. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.